Hello, hello. Good evening, Moon. Hello, hello. Good evening. Can you hear teacher?
Hello, teacher. Hello, teacher.
Hello. Hello, good evening, Moon. Good evening, and welcome again to our class. How are you today, Moon? Are you happy today?
Yeah, I have.
Yes, I'm happy. Very good. Did you already eat your dinner before going to the class?
Yeah,
Yes, very good. So, are you ready to continue our lesson for
yeah.
today?
I ready.
Okay, so good job. So, we are still at our lesson 6, which is all about the ocean. Okay, let's say the ocean. Okay, let's say the ocean. The
The ocean.
Very good. This is the ocean. Okay, so now let's learn more about the ocean and what are those animals that we can see in the ocean, or what are the other things aside from animals. Okay, let's go to this first picture, Moon. Okay, so what do we call this place? It is
It don't look as swim, but the ocean.
very
Sure. But it is it's don't look as swim and jellyfish.
yes, very good
Starfish
job.
and fish and
Fish.
and
How about this one?
star and
Do you know what
and
animal is
fish
this?
and
This one.
fish.
What animal is this?
Ah,
It's a starfish. Very good. It's shaped like a star, but we call it a starfish. Okay. So now let's say this is the ocean. The ocean. Okay, so very good. So as we can see in the ocean, there are lots of fish, like the jellyfish, the fish, pufferfish, starfish, and we have here also the turtle. So that
the
is
fish.
very good. That is the ocean. Now, let's go to the other things that we can see in the ocean. So let's go first with this first animal. Do you still remember what is the name of this animal? It is
It is
a, sta- a starfish.
a starfish.
Okay, very good. Again, Moon, what animal is this? It's a
It's a
starfish.
starfish.
Okay, very good. This is a starfish. Next. Okay, how about this one, Moon? What sea animal is this? It has claws.
It's a star.
It is a
It is
crab.
a crab.
Okay, very good. We call it crab. One more time. Crab. Crab.
Crab.
Okay, perfect. So this is the crab. How about this one? What animal is this?
It it is fish.
Very good. It's a
The fish
fish.
is swimming in the ocean.
Very good. Wow. So the fish is swimming in the ocean. Good job. Okay, so next. Oh, how about this one? Do you know what do we call this? This brown colored thing? Hmm.
Mm,
We call it as the sand.
Sand.
Okay, very good. So this is the sand. It is a color white or brown. Okay, so next. Okay, how about this one, moon? Do you know what animal is, or do you
It's
know what is?
jellyfish.
Is it a jellyfish? No, it's not a
No,
jellyfish. We call
jellyfish
this, okay,
color
we call this things as
like
corals.
a coral.
Very good. One more time. What is this, moon? What do we call this? Co
Four and
corals.
corals.
Okay, very good. We call this corals. Next. Okay, how about this one, moon? What do we call this? It's the water.
It's
We call it
called
water.
water.
Okay, very good. Again, what is this, moon? It's the
It's water.
very good. Good job. Next. Okay, our last one. Okay, this one. How about this one? What do we call this? We call
It's
this as
because S C
seaweed.
seaweed.
Okay, very good. One more time. Let's say seaweed.
Seaweed.
Perfect, very good. So now let's learn more about these things that we can see in the ocean. Let's learn what do they look like and about or the information about these things. So let's go first with this one. Okay, what do we call this, moon? Is the
It's the
water.
water.
Okay, very good. One more time. Let's say, what is this, moon? It's the okay, okay. Hello again, Moon. Okay, so now let's go back to this thing. Okay, what do we call this? It's the
It's the water. It's
very good.
it's fish is swimming.
Very good. The
It's
fish.
the water.
The fish is swimming in the water. Wow, very good. Very good for making your own sentence. So very good. This is the water. Water. What is the color of the water, moon? What is the color of the water? What's the color? Its color?
It it color the blue.
Very good. Very good. So it's color blue. So as we can see in the ocean, what is that? Is that a leaf?
It's a leaf.
Oh, it's a leaf.
I I I am find the leaf.
What did you say?
I find the leaf.
Where did you get that leaf? Did you get that in a tree?
Let's see.
Oh, in a tree. Okay. Okay, so now moon. So when we say water, it is the clear blue liquid that we can see in the sea or in the ocean. Okay. So this is the water. This is
Ocean.
very good. As what you have
Um,
said, the fish
and
swims in the water.
O N C
Yes.
E A
Okay.
N. But ocean it O C E A N.
Very good. Wow, good job for spelling the ocean and the sea. So good job. This is the water. So next, let's go to the next one. Okay, so Moon, what do we call this? This brown thing. This is
Well, pig
the
is a well sand,
brown thing. We call it as the sand.
but only have a leaf. That can catch a leaf, but
Oh,
leaf do not have one eating leaf, but not eating leaf in the house.
oh,
Eating leaf in mm, the house, but eating leaf at the house, not leaf that
oh, wow. What is the color of your leaf?
the leaf is green.
Very good. The leaf is green. So
And
good
that's the color green.
color green. Is your favorite color green?
But green have a leaf.
Oh,
But
you have.
would you come a pen with me? But that's it.
Oh, okay. So very good. So next, so we call this moon as the sand. The sand. So we can see sand in or on the beach. So these are tiny, soft grains. So it is usually color white
White
and brown.
and brown. But sand can brown. But but the option is blue. But I can swim ocean.
Wow, I can swim the ocean or in the ocean. Very good. So
You're
next,
not big ocean.
yes. Have you already gone to a beach? Have you swim on the beach, Moon? Yes or no?
Mm,
Have you swim on the beach or in the ocean? Yes or no?
mm. No,
Oh
no,
no.
eating ocean.
Oh no, we are not eating the ocean.
We
Okay.
we swim in ocean.
Yes, we swim in the ocean. Very good. So this one, look at this moon. This is a sand castle. Sand castle.
Sandcastle.
Very good. So most of the people or most of the children,
But
they they build.
sandcastle is ah, mm, mm, với cả the với cả
Yes,
C
okay.
A
Okay.
F
Yes, very
N
good.
L N S E.
Okay, so when we say sandcastle, moon, so this is what the children build in the beach. It is made of the sand. So like this one. Okay, so next, let's go to our next ocean thing. Okay, so what do we call this moon? It is
It
the
is the
coral.
coral.
Okay, very good. One more time. What is this?
It coral.
One more time. Co
Oh,
coral.
coral.
Okay, very good. Good job. So this is the coral. And look at the picture moon. What is the color of the coral? What colors the coral? What color? What color moon? What
It
colors the color?
is
Coral, I mean.
brown.
Huh? It's brown? Brown or red?
Mm, red.
Very good. It's color red. So this one. So when we say coral, so these are the things that are made by tiny animals. It is like a plant, but it is
But it
considered
is
as,
considered
as
as
an animal.
animal.
Yes, in the ocean. Okay, so this is a coral. So coral has a lot of colors. It can be pink, it can be green, it can be red, it can be purple. So that is the coral. So we can see corals in the deep blue sea. Okay, or under the water. Yes, so under the water we can see corals. So next one. Okay. How about this one, Moon? What is this? This is the. What is this? This is the s-
It's a
seaweed.
seaweed.
Okay, very good. One more time. What is this, Moon? It is the
It's a
seaweed.
seaweed.
Okay, perfect. So when we say seaweed, so these are plants that grow under the sea.
The the ocean is seaweed.
Yeah,
The seaweed is green,
very good.
but camel seaweed is green.
Yes, very good. The seaweed is green. Good job. And we can see,
Camel seaweed.
yes, okay,
Camel.
very so we can see seaweed under the water if we swim in the
We
deep.
swim on the in the water, but water is it it moves milk and after backward, but if
Okay, so very good. Very good for sharing your idea about seaweed. So, seaweed is plants that we can see under the water. So, next, how about this one? What is this, Moon?
it 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 fit
Very good. One more time. Let's say it's the fish.
the fit is the fit it is swimming, but fit it white and the the
All right. Black.
the orange
Very good. So, the fish
and
is
black
brown. Are you sure it's
black
brown? Brown or
black
orange? Its color,
and black.
yes, black and what color is this? This one. What color is this, Moon? Is it brown or orange?
Mm, is it orange and
Very, very good. It's orange. So the color of the fish is color white,
it
black,
color white, the black
and
and
orange.
orange
Okay,
and
very good.
white.
Yes, very good. So when we say fish, it is the animals or it is the animal that live in the ocean. So they have fins. So we call this fins, this one, fins. Fins is like the fish arm, but fins is the one that the fish uses to swim. So they use their fins to swim. Okay, and we call this, okay, so Moon, the name of this fish is a clownfish. Clownfish. This is
Mm,
a clownfish. So
mm,
like So like in the movie Finding Nemo. So in the movie Finding Nemo, it is the same as this fish, this one. This is Nemo. So Nemo,
Name.
yes, Nemo is a clownfish. So this is a movie about Nemo. So this is a clownfish. Okay, so next, let's move on to our next sea animal. What animal is this, Moon? What animal? What
It's
animal is this? It's the
it's the all red and black.
very good. It's color orange and black. And what do we call of this animal? What is the name of this animal? It's the crab.
It's the crab.
Very good. It's the crab. One more time. Let's say crab. Crab.
Crab.
Very good. Again, what animal is this? What sea animal is this, Moon? What sea animal? It's the
It's the crab.
crab. Okay, very good. Good job. So when we say crab, it is a small sea animal with a hard shell and claws. So we call this, so their hands, so in their hands they have their claws. So if the crab pinch you, it will hurt you. So it is dangerous to touch a crab. So that is a crab. So they use their claws to protect themselves. Okay, next. Okay, how about this one, Moon? What sea animal is this?
A fish.
It's a
Starfish.
very
It,
good. It is a starfish. Good job. So what color is this starfish? What
it's
color?
it's orange.
Very good. It's color orange. Good job. And when we say starfish, Moon, this is a sea animal
The animal
shaped like a star.
shaped like a star.
Very good. That is why it is called as starfish because it looks like a star. So that is a
Why
star.
is yellow?
Yes, it's yellow. It also has a yellow.
But
So if
and
we
white. But starfish do not yellow and white.
starfish is can also have a yellow color, but in we can see it in the ocean. And for
But
starfish,
but starfish it it in the ocean. But star yellow and white in the sky.
oh, very good. So in the sky, it's yellow and white. So yes, good job. So in the sky, it has a different color. But for the ocean, it also has a different colors. It can be orange or red starfish or brown starfish. So there are different colors of the starfish. Do you know the movie SpongeBob? Do you know SpongeBob? Moon? No? You don't know
No,
SpongeBob? Oh no. So this one. So this one is Patrick. This one. So
it's
this is Patrick. So
Patrick.
yes, Patrick is in the SpongeBob and he is a starfish. Patrick is a starfish. Okay, this so he is one of the example of a starfish. It is color pink. Okay, so next, our last thing that is about this one.
Ocean. The
Very
ocean have a turtle shrimp, have a fish shrimp, had a baby shark shrimp, had a jellyfish shrimp, have
very good.
have a mammal shrimp,
Very good. Good job.
have a
So
starfish shrimp.
very good. So when we
I
say
love
the
all of them.
ocean, the ocean is a very big sea, and we can see a lot of sea animals in the ocean swimming. So that is the ocean. And what is the color of the ocean, Moon? What color is the ocean? Its color?
Em đâu học?
The ocean is color
Trời ở
blue.
đây.
Okay, so now let's try to review what we had learned. Okay, but first let's read some word here, Moon. Can you read this one? Let's crab.
It's crab.
Next,
It's
coral.
it's squirrel.
Very good.
It's
Next is
it's
seaweed.
sea. It it's water. It's sand.
S- Next,
It's it's fish.
starfish. One more time, let's say
Starfish.
starfish. Very good. Next is
It's the ocean. It's fish.
ocean fish. Very good. So now let's answer this pictures based on what we had learned. Okay.
It
So what do we call this place?
it's
It's
it's it's
the
ocean.
very good. It's
It's the ocean.
ocean. Very good. So next one. How about this one? What is this?
It's it's starfish.
Starfish. Very good. Next. How about this?
It's crab.
Crab. Perfect. Very good. It's crab. How about the next one? What do we call
It
this?
it's name.
Nemo. Yes. What do we call Nemo? What is the name of this animal? It
Nemo is it fish.
very good. Nemo is a fish. Next. How about this next picture? What is
It's
this?
sand.
Very good. Wow, it's a sand. Next, what do we call this? These are what are
The
these?
sea of
Start with letter C. Co corals.
coral.
Very good. Next. How about this? What do we call this moon?
It's it it's water.
Water. Very good. And our last one will be what are these? These are the plants in the ocean. What do we call them?
It's
Sea.
seaweed.
Okay, very good. Good job. Okay. So I can see, Moon, that it is the end of our time. So we will just continue this lesson next Thursday. Okay. So see you again soon, Moon. And thank you very much for your time today. So you did a
Sure.
great job in our lesson.
I can teacher.
Goodbye.
I
Goodbye.
can teacher.
Bye bye bye.
再见.
Chai Xian. Is it bye bye in Chinese?